Namaste, this is Pinkalbhai Kishorbhai Bhatt. I am the founder president of Manav Dharma Parivar Humanity Religion for World Peace Mission. My qualification is BCom, PG Diploma Banking, MCom and CSR. I am Senior Cadet Volunteer of NSS. Now our Corona COVID-19 lockdown is going to complete, and I am very much thankful to Health Ministry for supporting us all Indian citizens. And today I am making this video message. I am requested by a person who is citizen of our Vadodara, born and brought up in Vadodara, Ashok sir, Ashok Ajmeri sir. I want to introduce this Ashok Ajmeri sir on his birthday. So first of all, I wish happy birthday to Ashok Ajmeri sir. Ashok sir visited our Paralympic stall. Paralympic is the first pre-Olympic Games Guidance Academy established in Vadodara, and we give guidance of international Olympic games like basketball, volleyball, swimming, high jump, long jump, soccer, and so many other Olympic games. We give guidance of local Indian Swadeshi games like Limbu Chamchi, Kothra Dod, Sangeet Kursi, Langdi, Kho, Kabaddi, and all this. So I wish happy birthday to Ashok sir. You are right now in abroad countries, and you made it. You gave me an audio message, and you told me that આવું ના ચાલે મારો બર્થડે છે તો કંઈક વિડીયો મેસેજ. So I am wearing this blazer with national flag, and I am going to make video message. I am going to dedicate this video message to Ashok sir, who visited our stall in Children Fair Barmila Kamati Bagh on Republic Day 26 January. We are international. We are doing so many activities, and international organizations like Lions Club, Rotary Club, Junior Chamber International. We are getting blessings of so many other organizations also. We cover some activities, skill development and personality development for students of Vadodara Mahanagar Seva Sadan Education Committee schools, and we organize activities like drawing, essay, elocution, quiz, group discussion, singing, music, dancing, acting, patriotic, fancy dress, Indian games, Olympic games, NSS, NCC, Scout Guide, all these activities. I am CSR. Our intention is to provide guidance for games as well as academic bright career. I have seen some clever and intelligent students. They are able to reach to IIM, Indian Institute of Management, IIT, AIMS, UPSC, GPSC, and they are coming from below poverty line segment. Below poverty line segment means I have seen that they are coming from criminal zone, like some addicted parents of tobacco, smoking, alcohol and drugs, below poverty line segment, but they are having their intelligence level to reach to IIM, Indian Institute of Management, IIT, AIMS or UPSC. So I want to support all those students. They are coming from below poverty line segment, but they are having potential and they are having ability to reach to IIM, IIT. Some international organizations like WHO, World Health Organization, World Bank, United Nations, and all these organizations, International Monetary Fund, Asian Development Bank. I was also in banking and insurance department of MS University. After BCom, I done PG Diploma Banking, MCom. I was in banking department, ex-RBI Governor IG Patel sir. He was also from Vadodara. So I request you, please support us, please join us. We are organizing all these activities absolutely free, and now we are registered first. Ashok sir, I am going to dedicate this message to you. You visited our stall in Children Fair 26 January Republic Day, and I know you were singing a song, Ye Desh Hai Veer Jawano Ka. You were dancing with us, and thank you for your blessing. So many visitors of abroad countries like UK, USA, China, France, even one girl visit, Japanese girl, Yoko. She met me, I gave my visiting card, she conveyed her well wishes to us, and I told Yoko, Japanese girl, it is my living desire to go to Hiroshima, Nagasaki, nuclear attack affected children, orphan children home. I want to go there. If there is any vacancy, I would prefer to shift. I would prefer to go to Japan to serve nuclear attack victim children, genetical disease children, any orphan home in Hiroshima, Nagasaki, or Japan. I will go there. I requested with Yoko, Japanese girl who visited our store, like Ashok sir. So Ashok sir, થેન્ક યુ સો મચ. હું તમને જન્મદિવસની શુભેચ્છા પાઠવું છું. તમે અમારા સ્ટોલ પર આવ્યા હતા. અને છેલ્લી માહિતી આપી દઉં સર, આપણું ટ્રસ્ટ રજિસ્ટર્ડ થઈ ચૂક્યું છે. તમે જે સ્ટોલ પર આવ્યા વર્લ્ડ પીસ મિશન, ત્યાં યુરોપિયન વિઝિટર્સ હતા, ચાઇના, અમેરિકા, બ્રિટનના વિઝિટર હતા. તો ટ્રસ્ટ રજિસ્ટર્ડ છે. શ્રી કાંતિલાલ લાભશંકર ભટ્ટ ચેરિટેબલ ટ્રસ્ટ મારા ગ્રાન્ડફાધરના નામે છે. અને ટુમોરો 5th September is celebrated as the Teachers Day. શિક્ષક દિન તરીકે ઉજવાય છે. તો ટુમોરો માય બેસ્ટ વિશિસ ટુ ઓલ ઓફ યુ ફોર ટીચર્સ ડે. ડૉક્ટર સર્વપલ્લી રાધાકૃષ્ણન, we celebrate on the birth anniversary Teachers Day. I wish you all happy Teachers Day for 5th September. I wish bright career ahead. India should have more gold medals in next Olympic. This year due to COVID and Corona, Tokyo Olympic is postponed to next year. So my best wishes to all of you, for all Indian Olympic players, best of luck. For all students, for your bright future and career. 5th September, Teachers Day tomorrow. So my best wishes for all students on Teachers Day tomorrow. And tomorrow is the death anniversary of one Education Minister of Gujarat, Nalinbhai Kantilal Bhatt. He was the Education Minister of Gujarat who scored 100 out of 100 in old SSC math subject. He was my uncle. He was a motivating personality for me for academic career. Now I have 4 degrees like BCom, PG Diploma Banking, MCom and CSR. I am Senior Cadet Volunteer of NSS. So tomorrow is the death anniversary of former Education and Health Minister of Gujarat, Chief Convener of Pandit Deen Dayal Seva Sangharsh Samiti, Nalinbhai Kantilal Bhatt. So my wishes to Nalinbhai. Now we have achieved our organizational academic goal. First Olympic Guidance Academy, skill personality development activities and so many other activities. Now our documentary 16 minutes of World Peace Mission is submitted in IIM Ahmedabad, Karnavati, and it is very important for me. I have made some articles in UNICEF Voices of Youth, Universal Program for Environment Protection. Voices of Youth of UNICEF is a social media. I had made some articles in 2007. Universal Program for Environment Protection. I had got so many response blessing notes from other countries also. I had participated national seminar on climate change in IG Patel Hall. Rotary Club Metro Committee international delegation. They have also given us some time for guest lecture and guest speaker. Some other organizations international like Lions Club, they are all, even I had organized CSR convention in banking and insurance department of MS University Commerce faculty. So sir, thank you so much for your blessing. તમે મને રિક્વેસ્ટ કરી હતી કે વિડીયો મેસેજ મૂકો. It is pending to give my place for dry clean. So I am wearing for reminder now after COVID lockdown. I wish you all best career ahead. We are all struggling. All economies facing crisis, but we should start our efforts, our dedication for our country, bright future for students. So think positive, be elated. Happy Independence Day for 15 August, and I am going to conclude my talk. So Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. My heartily tribute to martyrs of Indian Army, Navy, Air Force, and special every Sunday we organize prayer for martyrs of Indian Army, Navy, Air Force in Satsang Kutir, Bajrang Vatika, behind Mother School, Guthrie Road, Vadodara, Garvi, Gujarat. So thank you so much. Bharat Mata ki Jai, Vande Matram, Jai Jai Garvi, Gujarat. Pinkalbhai, Kisorbai Bhatt. Thank you.